Today, I want to talk to you about something that is probably affecting most of us without us even realizing it. Dopamine addiction. As you may know, like I explained in my last video, dopamine is a chemical in the brain that is associated with pleasure and reward. And because of this, we tend to seek out activities that release dopamine, such as checking social media, playing video games, or binge-watching TV shows. While there's nothing inherently wrong with enjoying these activities, they can become a problem when they start to interfere with our daily lives. That's why I want to introduce you to the concept of dopamine detox. A dopamine detox is a period of time where you intentionally abstain from activities that release dopamine in order to reset your brain and break the cycle of addiction. It's important to note that this is not a permanent solution, but rather a way to regain control over your behavior and make better choices moving forward. Here are the rules for a dopamine detox. No screens. This includes phones, computers, TVs, and any other device with a screen. You may use your phone for emergencies, but otherwise, it should be turned off and out of sight. No music. This may be tough for some of you, but music is also a dopamine-releasing activity and should be avoided during the detox. No drugs or alcohol. This one is pretty self-explanatory, but it's worth mentioning nonetheless. No caffeine. This may be surprising, but caffeine is also a dopamine-releasing substance and should be avoided during the detox. No sugar or junk food. These foods can also release dopamine and should be avoided in favor of healthier options. Now, I know that these rules may seem daunting, but I promise you that the benefits of a dopamine detox are well worth it. You may experience increased focus and productivity, better sleep, and a greater appreciation for the simpler things in life. So I encourage you to give it a try. Start with a short period of time, maybe just a day or two, and see how you feel. And remember, this is not about depriving yourself of pleasure, but rather about regaining control over your behavior and making better choices for your overall well-being. I wish you all the best on your dopamine detox journey. Nevertheless, don't forget to believe in yourself, and you will be unstoppable. To stay motivated, check out these videos. Your motivational buddy Joe.